small balcony design ideas. The balcony is a beautiful, dreamy and cozy outdoor space, especially in city homes. It does not matter whether it's a tiny or big. What matters is how we design and decorate it to make it a gorgeous little retreat for relaxation, where we can see the sky and breathe fresh air without stepping out of the house. The best thing about the balcony design is that it can have a style independent of that of the home decor. Have a look at this fantastic balcony design and get ideas and inspiration to design the small balcony in your own. I'm going to talk about all in this video. Watch the video till end to get the most useful tip. It's not delayed, we will get into a video. Before that, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Hi, this is Yoga, your interior design mentor from IDI. Bright color in a small balcony. Brighten up the day and night in a small balcony by painting it bright sunshine yellow. A bold color will make it lively and elevate the mood even on gloomy rainy days. Extending the living room into a small balcony. If the living room opens onto the balcony, carry through the decor of the living room to the balcony. Follow the same theme as in the living room and separate it with a sliding glass door to enjoy the view from the balcony as well as the living room. Minimalist design for a small balcony. Jazz up the balcony by keeping it simple and comfortable with just a swing for seating and covering the floor with a patch of artificial grass. The simple and minimalist decor is perfect for the narrow or tiny balcony that cannot accommodate more than one or two people. Comfortable living in a small balcony. A couple of recliners or chairs and a side table to rest drinks are all one need to make a balcony stylish and functional, especially when there is a view to enjoy. Rainbow splash in the small balcony. Play around with the colors of the planters in the balcony to make it resemble a bright and beautiful rainbow. It can make quite an impact. Make a statement in a small balcony. Custom designed strays and a table can make a statement in a small balcony with their elegant present. Go rustic and sustainable by providing safety with the natural bamboo guardrails. Contrast in the small balcony. Create contrast in the balcony by using a warm wood ceiling and natural stone flooring with floral pattern of hand-painted tiles for the carpet effect. A high table can serve as the perfect little bar when enjoying the view of the small balcony. Set up a rustic dining table in the small balcony. For those who love to eat all fresco, a great option is set up a rustic style dining table in the balcony. Consider introducing some color through the splashes of contrasting hues on the door and a few plants. Low seating in the small balcony. Opt for low furniture in the small balcony and complement it with a glass railing to allow an unobstructed view of the city sky. Complete the look with floor cushions for additional seating as well as decor accessories arranged on the floor. A vertical garden in a small balcony. Install a green wall or a vertical garden in the small balcony and enjoy the benefits of the greenery in the home. Take care to select the right type of plants depending on the amount of sunlight available in the area. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.